When you're studying, it might not be easy to locate a job that fits your schedule. Typical student weekend or evening job in hospitality and retail is obviously interesting. However, many students have found other methods to support their lifestyle without taking on traditional roles. Consider these entrepreneurial ideas to boost your income without interfering with your classes or studies. Before we dive in, welcome to Flawless Finances, your source of financial education. If you want to keep growing your financial assets, smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. So, let's get started. Number 1. Sell all your old games and movies. Selling your outdated bits and bobs that are cluttering up your space is a fantastic option if you want to make fast money. The good thing is that you can copy all the movies onto your laptop or external hard drive before reselling them. Isn't it exciting? You make some additional money without actually losing anything. You may earn anything between $10 to $20 for each item, and the profits can add up quickly if you have a significant collection. You can also sell practically anything for free on Amazon Marketplace, and these sites will pay you immediately if you send in unwanted things. Number 2. TEFL. Teach English as a foreign language is an excellent way for students to earn money. Many platforms don't even demand a qualification. All you need is the ability to communicate in English. Some services allow users to video chat to practice communication, which is quite great because you can meet people from all over the world and make money. Of course, if you have the proper certification, you could earn much more. But if you're satisfied to earn $10 per hour, manage your own schedule, and work from home, this is a good option. Number 3. Start freelancing. Freelancer is a broad term used for a self-employed person that works on projects on a contract basis. Does freelancing have potential? In just 2020, the freelancing market grew by a whopping 76%. These are mind-blowing numbers. After the COVID-19 pandemic, more companies are looking to contract freelancers than full-time workers. So, freelancing does have a future. You can continue your study while freelancing in the evening. There are many areas in which you can do freelancing, like copywriting, graphic designing, social media marketing, video editing, and social media management, etc. If you're looking to start doing freelancing, then definitely check out Fiverr. Fiverr is the best marketplace for freelance services. Number 4. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube is the world's biggest online video platform, and it is additionally the world's second largest search engine after Google. YouTube comes with a lot of opportunities. It's very simple to set up a YouTube channel. Even more famous than blogs are vlogs. With the average attention span shrinking, videos are an extraordinary way to urge someone's attention long enough to say something they might want to listen to. So, if you have a talent, pearls of trickery, or even just the patience to clarify how to do something, make a video about it and put it up on YouTube. Make enough of these and you'll build yourself an active following that can gain you a lucrative salary. Some people are making $120,000 per year by just uploading reaction videos on other people's videos. Earnings potential on YouTube is vast, and there is no limit on how much you can grow on it. Number 5. Grow and sell your own produce. This one will take a little forward thinking and planning, but if you can manage to turn over a decent harvest, you will be able to turn over a decent profit. If you have a garden, try growing some veggies, herbs, or perhaps a gooseberry bush or so to sell to your fellow students or the local community and save money on your grocery bill. Use them to create pesto, jams, or a tasty garden salad. Growing your own fruits and vegetables will benefit you in both life and the apocalypse. Number 6. Sell online courses. Do you have expertise that's in demand? And many people are looking to learn it? If yes, then create a course on teaching that expertise. I know, guys, creating a course isn't simple, but it's worth it. You only have to make a course one time, and you'll generate income from it without doing anything. I have seen people make millions by offering their courses online. From last year till now, the online course market has increased tremendously. Many people now prefer to buy a course to learn the skill at home rather than paying huge fees to institutions. Number 7. Get paid to exercise. Some applications will pay you to exercise, but we'll spotlight one: Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is a free app that rewards you for going for a walk outside. The app, which is a cryptocurrency-based platform, has been covered in The Telegraph, Forbes, and the Daily Mail. 1,000 steps, you earn 0.95 Sweatcoins with a daily limit of 20. The money generated is sent into PayPal. But to get $1,000, you need to walk 21 million steps. Hold on here, guys. If you like this video so far, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Now, let's talk about our ace spot on the list: leverage any skill. What can you do well? Can you design? Then make stickers or t-shirts. Can you set up an email and fix minor PC problems? Then provide that service to others who cannot. You don't need a large budget to start these sorts of home-based small business ideas. Look at this employment. You may market your services on social media. People are often happy to help when they know you're out there working hard to make a living. Number 9, transport anyone. Get those wheels spinning and generate some money if you have a car. In the morning, help families by dropping off children at school, transporting the elderly to the grocery, or delivering someone with a broken finger to the doctor. Lyft apps are fantastic, but they are sometimes inconsistent. The price changes so frequently that it's difficult to keep track, and they may be risky. So provide this option to your community, and you'll make money every time you start the ignition. Number 10, waitering. Of course, it may not be the most glamorous job, but it is quick cash in hand. Amazing! In the US, servers are currently in high demand. Working as a waiter can start as a part-time job and is a great way to start a career in the food industry. The food service industry is a growth industry, and new restaurants and work opportunities are being created every day. As a result, employment opportunities are a lot more available. A bonus: it is a good job for students to learn self-confidence and how to work well under pressure. Number 11, use your eye for style. If you enjoy bargain shopping and have a sense of fashion and trends, you may consider becoming a clothes seller on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Keep a thrifty eye out for good brands and on-trend pieces in op shops, and then sell the items you collect for more than you spent for them. The only disadvantage is that sometimes a buyer may not complete the transaction. Therefore, it is better to remain patient. Number 12, sell your notes. If you're the type of student who takes delight in their note-taking and makes it look like a work of art, this is a surefire method to make some money without having to worry about finding the extra time. This is a legitimate side hustle, and we've looked into numerous sites for you, including Course Hero, Nexus Notes, and Omega Notes. Number 13, sell your photography. If you have got a camera and some essential Photoshop skills, photography can become your side job. If you like taking pictures of your city, you can sell your photography to local publications, such as a city newspaper or web journal. Sites like FOP will allow you to offer your pictures on its platform, and you can earn cash with each photo you sell. If you'd rather not make money along with your pictures, you can include your photography in products like canvases, t-shirts, and phone cases to make even more cash. And if that is not enough, you can even look for clients to venture into wedding photography, pet photography, or product photography. If you sell your pictures online, you might make an extra couple $100 or $1,000 a month. If you venture into wedding photography, you may make a couple of $1,000s or more per event. Great second jobs in this niche incorporate working as a weekend photographer or running workshops in your spare time. Number 14, organize a trip. You don't need a licensed travel guide to plan a trip. It might be a walking tour of your city's local artwork, or taking people on your favorite hiking trails. Or you could be more creative and organize a day of bouncing from one thrift store to the next instead of a bar crawl. Join a group, charge per member, and begin banking the green. Number 15, tutor someone. Tutoring is a phenomenal way to put your knowledge to great use. Perhaps you are a history buff or a math whiz. Whatever subject you excelled at in school might just come in helpful as an adult as well. You can mentor kids online with services like VIP Kid or GoGo Kid, or you can guide kids around your neighborhood from your children's schools or your religious affiliation. You could take tutoring one step further and join a huge brother or sister program. These help out underprivileged kids by collaborating them up with steady, caring adults who show them that they are people who care and they can get to be anything they want to be. This way, you'd be making money and making a difference in someone's life. That's it for today's episode. I hope we've given you some food for thought. Let us know by subscribing to the Flawless Finances and hit that bell notification. What can you suggest that will help students earn some money? We would love to hear your thoughts on this. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time. Bye!